Hi guys, I just came home from work and on my porch were 3 boxes. My Target beauty box, which I'll tell you about in another video. A mystery Amazon box. I don't remember what I ordered. I'll open that with the Target beauty box. But this video is for Stitch Fix. This is my second October Stitch Fix. I actually really liked my first October Stitch Fix. And the second one, I am in need of a fall jacket. And it's like fall now, end of October. So I figured I would just order a second box and see what came. This looks a little bit small, though, to have a jacket in it. So we'll see. Mary is once again at work. She left me something to open the box with, though. Whee! So we'll try one of her work things. All right. Let's see. This one really is a good box opener. All right. Let's see what is in this one. By the way, I will have a referral code if you would like to try Stitch Fix. That will be in the description box below, along with a more detailed description of what Stitch Fix is and how it works. The current promotion as I film this is if you sign up with that referral link, you get $25 credit toward your first fix. And they also give me $25 credit. So, let's see. Oh, let's see what's in here. I think, oh, I see something that Christine has been looking for me, and it came. That's the bundle. You also get your envelope to return any item you want post-paid. And the little envelope with my invoice, which I will look at after I look at the clothes. And, oh hello, my note from my stylist, along with the styling cards that tell you one of these will be, I can't see what's on this card right now because I'm not wearing my glasses. So right now I see a blur up there. I'm not getting spoiled. But it shows one of the items in the box and suggestions of other things you can wear with it. Okay. There definitely is a jacket in here. This one looks... Okay. This is Marc, New York, Andrew Marc, and this might be the same jacket that Mitch sent me about a year ago, maybe a little bit more, that I returned, and I've regretted returning it ever since. I told my stylist that. This also might be a little bit longer than that one. All right, well, you'll get to see in the try-on how long it is. All right, I'm pretty excited about that. This, ooh, what is this? Look at the pretty color. Let's find out what it is. I really, really like the pattern. Is it another dress? All right. Another Kaileigh dress. That really nice one I got before was Kaileigh. This has bell sleeves that I'm not normally wild about, but it looks a little short, but it looks like it might be that same sort of swing style dress I got before. I hope it's long enough. I like my dresses to be at least knee length. That looks short, but I'm short too. And this is Skies Are Blue, large petite. Okay, this is a button up top. My one issue with button-ups is sometimes I get gaping. That's only buttons on the top. And then I guess that would be more of a Henley. I hope the buttons don't gape. This feels, I don't know what this is made of. It feels really nice. Okay, this is polyester and rayon. It does not feel like polyester at all. I can definitely feel more rayon than polyester. This feels pretty soft and nice. I like how that feels. Okay. Oh, wait. I thought this was the bird scarf because I've been asking for that bird scarf. This is a skirt. I have a feeling this might be too short on me, but it has birds on it. And finally, ooh, oh, does it have pockets? It doesn't have pockets. This is a cardigan. I love the color on this cardigan. The one thing it does not have that I requested was pockets. This poor woman, you know what I said to her? I said I would like a warm cardigan, I would like a coat, and I would like a budget-friendly fix. That's like impossible. I said I would like a cardigan with pockets. This doesn't have pockets, but it seems to fit the bill every other way. What size is it? Medium, by Pink Clover. Okay, here's my note from Christine. Happy Fix Day, Monica. I'm so happy we were able to find an undamaged sweater for you. Yes, I had that green sweater I really liked from my last fix. I tried to exchange it, but they were out of stock, so I returned it. And on my feedback from my stylist, I let Christine know that I would have kept it if it hadn't been damaged. The next thing I know, I get an email from Stitch Fix saying they found one in my size and would I still like to exchange it. And I said yes. So that only came in the mail the other day. It's still in its envelope. So I was really, really happy, though, to get that sweater back. Your daughter looked gorgeous in the olive green cardi. I totally see why she claimed it. Look at my video from last time. My daughter Mary kept the cardigan from that last fix. I see you'd like to retry the coat from last year by Andrew Marc. I was able to find an olive green color in a size large, which was the same size as before. This style is cozy and has clean lines for a winter coat, so it won't overwhelm your size. I had another, but it was so puffy I was worried about the proportions for you. I don't want you to look like your coat is swallowing you. Thank you. I found a cute skirt with birds! Exclamation point. I know skirts are the only piece you enjoy in regular size, and this is petite. I sized up to large petite, so fingers crossed. Yeah, my bottom's usually a little bit bigger than my top, so I'm more large petite or medium on the top, and I'm large on the bottom. And I also like length on my skirts. If it's too short, that's why I like the regular size in skirts, because they're longer. I think you'll love the colors of the Kaileigh dress and the high neckline. Let me know what works. Have fun and happy fall, Christine. People want to know why I like Stitch Fix. If you can get a good stylist and you get a rapport with them and they get to know what you like, they really work for you. And I loved, loved, loved my old stylist, Mitch, and Christine is also fantastic. So once you get a good stylist and they know what to look for, you get good fixes. So this sounds hopeful. I just hope the sizing works out. Let's do the try on. Don't worry, try-on's not over. I got more coming, but I just wanted to say I really, really like this dress. It's slightly shorter than I'm comfortable. Well, it's not shorter than I'm comfortable wearing. It's right on the border of where I'm comfortable. It hits the very top of my knee. But when I move around in this, unlike some dresses that are on the shorter side, it doesn't hike up. It stays put, just like my other Kaileigh dress. I think I have a new favorite dress company. The bell sleeves don't bother me at all. They are slightly short on me, I think because they're supposed to be 3/4 sleeves, and of course my arms are so short that 3/4 sleeves hit me just above the wrist. I'm not really worried about that. I'm fine with that. I'm fine with the bells. I love the color. I love the pattern. Keeping the dress. The coat, I love it. It is exactly what I need. It is slightly large on me, so I can put a sweater under it. It's not too large on me. It's perfect. So the coat and the dress are keepers. Now, please pay special attention to the rest of the try-on and give me your feedback. This fix is definitely a 2 for $5. It might be a 5 for $5 because of Stitch Fix math. And those of you that get Stitch Fix know what I mean by Stitch Fix math. If I keep all 5, there is a substantial discount if you keep all 5 items. Might be worth it to do it for this fix, except for one thing. So before I tell you what that is, tell me how you think the items look. Next up, the cardigan. This is listed as off-white, but it's really more of almost a gold, like a gold tan. It's very beautiful. It's soft, it's stretchy, and it's dry clean only, which is a strike against it. Okay, this is the large petite navy plaid shirt. I'm not overly fond of navy, but it's okay. This shirt feels so comfortable. It has a tab sleeve over here, and I'm wearing it long on this side just to show you how they both look. But tell me, does this fit, or is it a little big on me? Am I delusional? I would, by the way, probably wear this most of the time down. It is so comfortable. I really like how it feels. I don't have anything in this color. Okay, I am wearing the little bird skirt with this top. I normally would not wear it with this top, just so you know, but for the ease of the try-on, I'm doing that. It's a little shorter than I'm comfortable with. It is sitting at my natural waist, which is very high, which is part of the problem. I could put it down a bit, I suppose. Doesn't make that much of a difference. You know, something else about this little bird skirt I didn't mention. This material, you can roll it into a tiny little ball and it comes out and it is not wrinkled. This would be a great travel skirt. I wish this was longer. I really do. Now, Stitch Fix math. With Stitch Fix, you get a 25% discount if you keep all 5 items. That, in the case of this fix, is pretty substantial. So my question becomes, I would get an $80 discount. This little skirt is $40, 40 something. If this was the only thing stopping me from getting 5 for 5, it would be a no-brainer. I should get it and get the discount and find someone who can wear this. Or try to exchange it for a large, which I still might do instead of a large petite, because I do like how it swishes and I like the birds. The items I'm definitely keeping are the coat and this dress. And so if I just keep 2, I don't get the discount. If I keep all 5, I get the discount. So the question comes, do I like these enough to keep them? Would I wear this? Yes, I would. Do I love it? No. But I would wear it, it's comfortable, I would get use out of it. This one, dry clean only. I don't think this looked that great on me. I thought it looked really boxy. I would wear it anyway if it had pockets and I could throw it in the washing machine, because at work I just need to throw a warm cardigan on. This is a warm cardigan. Do I love it? No. Is it dry clean? Yes. Why do people make things that are for dry cleaners? So that's my question to you. Do you think those items are good enough that I should keep them anyway and get that 20% discount? Or should I just get the 2 things I love? Let me know how they looked. I will see you again soon for a Target beauty unboxing, since that box also came today. And I will have all item names and prices in the description box below. I will see you soon. Bye-bye.